Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we're working on IXL CC.5, create line graphs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some data out of a table and create a line graph out of it. So let's get started and see how this one works out. A dog show enthusiast recorded the weight of a winning dog at recent dog shows. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below, and we're going to go ahead and click to select the points on the graph. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my time on this and just kind of highlight how things are going. So starting with 2007, we need to have a weight of 90 kilograms. So 2007 right here, and a weight of 90 kilograms would be right here. Now for 2010, we got 80 kilograms. So 2010, we go up to the 80. And notice that 80 is directly to the left. All right, next we got 2013. Notice the skip. Well, actually not skipping because it's every 3 years, right? So 2007 plus 3 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 3 is 16. But in 2013, we got another 80, so it should be at the same height as our 2010. And our last one for 2016 is going to be at 40. So 2016 up to 40. All right, so that's just a tutorial on how for you to do it. So for you guys, what you guys do is simply click on it. 2007, you click on it. 2010, you click on it, and it's going to create the line for you as you click on it. So 2013, you click on it, and 2016, you click on it, and there we go. Creates a beautiful line graph. All right, so let's try that concept on this next one and see if we can do it. So Cindy's favorite shoe store used a customer management software to track its shoes she purchased each year. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below. So 2010, we're going to click on the 5, right? So 2010, there's the 5. So we're going to click right there. 2011, we're going to go up to 25. So 2011, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 for 2011 because it says 25. 2012, we're going to go up to the 5. 2013, no movement, 0. And 2014 up to the 15. So 5, 10, 15. And there we go. That's all there is to it, to this IXL, but we're going to take it all the way up to 80. All right, January, we're going to go up to a 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So January, click on the 70. March, 70 degrees as well. Now, when the temperatures are the same, you should notice the line remain flat. If the line is not flat or a zero slope, then you know you clicked on the wrong spot because they should be the same. All right, May, 80 degrees. So May, we're going to go up to 80. July is 90 degrees. And September, also 90 degrees. So again, from July to September, zero slope because it is a flat line. So we're pretty sure that one should be correct. All right. So we're keeping a tally of number of emails she received for a day, each day for a week. So Monday, we're going to click on 2 emails. So Monday, 2 emails. Tuesday, 6 emails. Wednesday, no emails. Must be a day off. And Thursday, 7 emails. All right, Matthew, a doctor's office receptionist, tracked the average waiting time at the office each month. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below. So for July, we have 50. So July is 50, so 50 there. For August, we have 20. So notice that 20 is at the same level here. 20 right over here. September, we have 60. So 60 right there. And October, we have 30. All right. The climatologist incorporated Alaska's monthly temperature into her weather model. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below. So we're just going to keep going. So June, 30 degrees. June, 30 degrees. July, 35 degrees. August, 40 degrees. and September 45 degrees. Notice this is a nice linear line because they go up by 5s too each month. All right, let's keep going. So for 1800, we're looking at a 10. 1800, go up to the 10. For 1840, we're looking at going up to the 10 as well. So 1840, 10. So it should be a flat line because they're the same pieces of mail. 1910 is 60. And 1960 is a 90. Here we go. All right. Same thing. We got another table. We got Isaiah's monthly budget that we're going to graph into the line graph of Isaiah's monthly budget. So February, we're looking at a budget of 700. So February, 500, 600, 700. April, we're looking at a budget of 900. So April, 5, 6, 7, 8, $900 right there for April. And again, the key here is make sure the height is the same as the budget. So there's the 900 and the April's right below it. So we're kind of looking like an intersection here. June, 900. So June is 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900 is right there. And August is also 900, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So notice how last 1, 2, 3, 900s in a row also line up. So that makes it nice. Chances are we probably got this one right. All right. Mr. Nolan recorded the amount he spent on gas each month to see if it would be cheaper to take the train to work. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below. So for March, we have $50 in gas right there. For May, we have $150 in gas. So a little bit more gas to get to work in May. And July, $200. So again, same height as 200 right here. September, a nice affordable month, only $50 there because again, the height of $50 is that line right there. And November, $200, lands right there. All right, on their website, a popular bakery downtown published a number of cakes sold each month. Cake is so good. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below. So in March, we're looking at 606 cakes. So if you guys notice this little thing right here, it's got kind of a little jagged line on the y-axis. That means without graphing 1 to 598, that means they skipped a group of numbers there. All right, because from there it goes 598, 599, 600. Because otherwise this graph would be really huge. So those jagged lines means there's a group or a sequence that's been skipped for the obvious reasons that you don't need it. So with that being said, March is 606. April, 603. 603 lands right there. There's directly across 603. May, 599. Check 599 right there. June, 603 cakes. It lands right there. So again, following the same height as that 603. And July, 600. So there's my 600. Go across 600 right there. Perfect. To better understand trends, an investigator study the price of gold over time. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below. So 1979, we're looking at $100 per ounce. So 1979, 100. 1982 is 600. 1985 is 400. 1988 is also 400. 1991, also 400. So notice that we got 400, 1, 2, 3 times in a row. So all of those are the same height with a zero slope. And 1994 at 300. That's right there. All right, headed to the 70s. Now, what they're doing is they're giving you 2 sets of line graphs. Keep in mind, though, they've already graphed one line graph for you. You got to graph the other one. So let's take a look a little bit deeper in this graph because when you guys get to the 70s, you're going to notice it become a little bit harder. All right. So a meteorologist monitors the weather in various cities. Use the data in the table to complete the missing line in the double line graph below. Click to select the points in the graph. Okay, so if you take a look, the city of Dover has been done for you. It's already the red line. So what we need to do is we need to focus on Sparrowtown only. So Sparrowtown is this set of data right here compared to the day. So the extra information of Dover here in the middle is not needed because it's already been graphed for you. That's the red line. So the way we read this is on Sunday, we need to click on 15 for Sparrowtown. So Sunday, 15 on Sparrowtown. There it is. It turned green. On Monday, Sparrowtown is also 15. So far matching Dover. Tuesday, Sparrowtown is 20. Tuesday, 5, 10, 15, 20. Awesome. Still matching Dover. Wednesday, Sparrowtown is 15. Okay, Wednesday, 5, 10, 15 right there. Okay, now it's a little bit higher than Dover, so there's a little change there. Thursday, also 15. So it's got to be at the same height because it has a zero slope. Friday, Sparrowtown is 10. And this refers to the, I believe, the inches in rainfall. So rainfall in inches. All right. Friday, we got 10. Perfect. And Saturday, 20. There we go. So again, one line graph's already done for you. So just be careful you get the right information to create that second graph. Good. Perfect there. Same thing. One graph is done for you and the other one isn't, so we need to figure out which graph is which. So a mechanic in Newberry kept track of how many customers were men and women. Use the data in the table to complete the missing line in the double line graph below. Click to select the points on the graph. So if you notice that the men, the graph is already done because it's the red line there. So which means the men here is not needed. And also they kind of give you a hint too. See how it's grayed out? This little gray section means it's kind of already been done for you. So they're actually helping you out there. All right, so what we need to do is we need to graph our woman compared to the day. And by the way, I meant to include the whole column there. So I didn't mean to not like include the 20 there. All right, so starting on Monday, the customers and auto mechanics woman is 16. So Monday we go up to 16, quite a bit higher than the men. Tuesday is 8. So Tuesday, 2, 4, 6, 8 right there. Wednesday is 14. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Thursday is at 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Friday, a little bit of a drop to 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oops, click too early. 12, 14, 16, 18. And the last one on Saturday is 20. So 20 is also at the very top. See, it's the last line up here. And that completes our woman. Perfect. All right, we're at Smart Score 78. Almost done. We're going to complete our last problem on Elm Street. Okay, Elm Street. So Elm Street is going to be the red, which means we want this data here compared to the day. Which means Hill Street has already been graphed. And it's also grayed out. Notice you don't need it. So yeah, we don't need it. All right, Sunday. We're going to find the 10 on Elm Street. Sunday to the 10, 5, 10. Perfect. Monday, we're looking for 5. Monday's 5 right there because it goes up by 5, 10s, and so forth. It goes up by 5s. Tuesday goes up by, we need to go get up to the 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Wednesday, Elm Street is, looks like 15. So Wednesday, 5, 10, 15. Thursday is 5. And Friday is 15. There we go. And that should take us all the way up to 81. So this concludes our fabulous IXL tutorial for IXL CC5 Create Line Graph.